Rejected fruit doesn't go to waste, it's diverted to animal feed or composting. Nothing leaves this facility that doesn't meet specification. Three wash stages, 12 minutes total contact time. Every papaya is cleaned to food grade standard before processing begins. Size grading matters for processing efficiency. Uniform fruit means uniform cut, uniform heating, uniform quality.
Inside each papaya, up to 600 seeds. Every one must be removed without damaging the flesh.
Precision peeling recovers 94% of the edible flesh. Every millimeter matters at industrial scale. First stage pulping breaks down cellular structure. What emerges is raw puree moan, but still too coarse for commercial use. Pectinase enzyme breaks down fruit pectin, the compound that makes fresh juice cloudy. The result? Smoother texture, better flow.
Every test creates a record. Every record creates traceability. From field to factory to finished product, nothing is lost.
Post-refining, fiber content drops below 0.3%. The puree is ready for its transformation into a stable, shelf-ready product.
Inside the vacuum vessel, the puree sprays, allowing dissolved air to rapidly escape.
(95°C, 30 seconds of hold time. The thermal death point for spoilage organisms. Non-negotiable. Before any batch can begin, 90 minutes of cleaning. Every surface, every pipe, every valve. Sterile.
Check the flow rate on line 3. We have an alert flashing.
Rerouting now. Stability should return in 30 seconds.
bar. The same pressure found 2 kilometers deep in the ocean. Applied to create perfectly smooth puree.
Particle size under 50 microns. Invisible on the tongue. The definition of smooth.
Oxygen is the enemy. At this concentration, less than 1%, the puree will maintain its color for over 18 months.
Color measurement to 3 decimal places. The human eye can barely detect a difference, but our instruments can.
Cô đặt chân không ở 45 độ C, bằng một nửa nhiệt độ của nước sôi, giữ trọn hương vị tươi ngon, đồng thời tăng gấp đôi hàm lượng đường.
Interior, concentration, bricks verification, inline refractometer, continuous monitoring. Inline brick sensor confirmed.
Every interior surface washed with caustic, then acid, then sanitizer. 90 minutes total, repeated between every batch.
First product is always diverted. Only when quality is verified does puree reach the final tanks.
Aseptic connection protocols. No exposed surface, no contamination risk. Hospital-grade sterility in a food factory.
Less than 10 colony-forming units per gram. 10 times better than required. This batch is clear for release.
The sterilization parameters look good now. Are all environmental controls verified?
Yes, manager. Everything is within spec.
Excellent. I will sign off on the release now.
Each bag arrives pre-sterilized. Gamma radiation. Sterility assured until the moment of filling.
"20 kilograms of puree. Sealed aseptically. Shelf stable for 24 months without refrigeration."
From tree to truck in 72 hours. The final leg of a journey spanning 3 countries and 2 continents. Every layer separated, every box protected, pallets designed to survive 10,000 miles of transport without damage.
Pounds of stretch film, wrapped at 250% pre-stretch, enough containment force to prevent shifting across any ocean.
Narrow aisle reach trucks, 15 meters of vertical storage, 2 million kilograms of papaya puree waiting for ships.